which place would you like to travel with your friends in Karnataka?
Hampi.
Yake, why Hampi? Hi Guna.
Hello.
This is from Shift Travel Stories. So today I'm gonna ask you one small question. So what made you to select Royal Enfield?
Before that,
Yeah.
he is the captain of our BVR. You
Yes.
have seen in many vlogs. Okay,
Yes.
now you can ask.
And he does a fantastic job.
you
Trust
so
me,
much.
most of my friends are really proud of him.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗುದ್ದ ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Okay, let's continue. What made you to select Royal Enfield?
Actually, my best friend, who's my friend from past 15 years, my childhood friend, he first bought GD 650. Until then, I never had any clue about this bike. When I rode his bike for the very first time, I fell in love with it. So then, when I turned out to be 18, after 2 years, then I bought 650.
Okay. So which song would you like to dedicate for Royal Enfield?
For this bike,
Yeah, your bike.
inside.
You can sing one line. ನಿಂತಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ
ಬೆಚ್ಚಗೆ
ನೀ ಜೊತೆಗಿರಲು
ಕೂದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಚಳಿಗಾಲ.
Hello Sohan.
Hi.
This is from Shift Travel Stories.
Okay.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
So what made you to select Royal Enfield bike?
Royal Enfield. It's mainly the engine, and even before this, even before I bought it, I sort of had a thing for it because of the exhaust. People used to bought this bike like crazy, and that made me want to own it someday.
Okay.
And yeah, it soon became a dream come true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which song would you like to dedicate for your Royal Enfield bike?
For my Royal Enfield bike,
Yeah.
Danger Zone by Kenny Loggins.
Can you sing one line?
Go something like it's from I think Top Gun 1984. Yeah. So it is like tan 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 tan. Yeah. So I would dedicate that to this.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Sunil.
Hi.
This is from Shift Travel Stories.
Okay.
Okay. So I would like to ask you a question.
Okay, tell me.
Why did you select Royal Enfield bike?
Actually, it's an emotion.
Ah.
And we are already took a ride from a lot of peoples, and we have to meet in a lot of places, and we enjoy with our groups, and a lot of friends is there, and we spend a quality time with our friends.
Okay. Which song would you like to dedicate to your friends?
A friendship song, anything.
One song you can, one line, any song.
Nothing, not like a special song.
Okay.
But I like it.
Okay, fine.
Hampi.
Yake, why Hampi?
Because there are a lot of things to explore in Hampi surroundings.
Okay.
So I have been to Hampi, but still I want to explore more. But with our gang,
Oh,
this gang,
yes, nice.
and along with my wife also. I'm missing her today.
Okay. Which song would you like to dedicate her now
her,
at this present moment of time?
Song, there are a lot of songs. Okay, as Shivu said to his wife, so I would like to sing a song to her, the same song. నీ చూపులే నా ఊపిరి ఓసారిలా చూడే చలి అమవాస్యనై ఉన్నా మరి అందించవే దీపావళి.
Hello, Ullas.
Hello.
This is from Shift Travel Stories.
Yeah.
What made you to select Royal Enfield?
Emotion,
Okay.
character, and I just like this bike.
Okay. So which song would you like to dedicate for your Royal Enfield bike?
That's a bit hard. Like First Love.
You can. Hi, Aston.
Hey, hello.
This is from Shift Travel Stories. Today I'm gonna ask you one question.
Yeah.
Why did you think that you need to go with Royal Enfield?
My dad had a Royal Enfield,
Okay.
a older version,
Okay.
and my uncle had a diesel Royal Enfield.
Okay.
So our family has been fan of Royal Enfields. So previous to this, now I own Himalayan 450. Before this, I had Thunderbird. So I'm sure that the next one also I'll be taking Royal
Royal
Enfield. So hardcore fan.
Hello, madam.
Hi.
So,
Husband.
husband. Okay. So I'll ask you, like, which song would you like to dedicate for your husband?
Don't put romantic.
He doesn't
No,
like
see, let
romantic
her decide by herself.
I'll be living over here, you over here, and going back.
Beautiful in white.
You can sing that. One line.
No.
One line, just a line.
No.
One line. See, we don't know that song. At least you should sing no one line.
No. I'll
One
sing
line.
once again.
Ah.
No. Later I'll sing once.
No, I'm not. Okay. Hello, Lohit.
Hello.
So this is from Shift Travel Stories.
Okay.
So today I'm gonna ask you one question.
Okay.
Why did you select Royal Enfield bike? What made you to select Royal Enfield bike?
Because in my family also there are a lot of people who buy the Royal Enfield. My grandfather was also having the Royal Enfield, so there's a lot of craze in my family. That is why I bought it.
Okay. Which song would you like to dedicate for your Royal Enfield bike?
Suhana Safar or
You can sing that.
I'm not a good at this.
No, that's okay. One line.
Suhana Safar or Mausam Hasi.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey Ranju.
Hi.
We are back again with the same question answers round.
Okay.
Okay, Ranju, today's question for you is, which place would you like to travel with your friends in Karnataka?
In Karnataka, I went one place that is in Udupi, one beach, Maravante beach. The one of the best experience I had. I like to go again the same place, but same people should be there. That's what I'm expecting.
So now, which people were there? Now you should tell that we were not there in that.
My friends only.
So you don't want us to come?
Yeah, you always welcome for everyone.
Then how could you tell that same people should be there?
But in that gang, somebody should be there, right? Some people will be.
Oh, some special people should be.
Yeah, yes, Supriya, you're right.
Special people.
Can you name that special people?
Shruti.
Thank you so much. Hey, Shubham.
Hey Shruti.
So again we are back to the question answers round.
Yep.
So what made you to take Royal Enfield?
So initially I had a plans of buying a Duke 390, but I was really not sure. I always wanted to start with something big, but I thought let me start with a small. But though 650cc in a Royal Enfield was a huge task, I was very much on and off confused. Should I go with CBR 250, Duke 390, RC 390 or GT 650? So one thing my mom and dad said, buy any bike but not KTM. Because most of the people over here knows the reason why. And the CBR 250 was in the brink of extinction. And probably right now 250 is extinct. So I had no option. So I went for a test drive with a GT 650. Fun fact, I didn't went for test drive once, but I went for test drive more than 4 times. And I went at 4 different showrooms.
Okay.
And then I finally bought my GT 650. And it's been 3 years. I'm having a wonderful moment with my GT. Now let's see what's more to come.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello Suprit.
Hello.
This is from Shift Travel Stories. So what made you to select Royal Enfield?
It's one of the beginner's bike. It's right now 350cc. It's good for city.
Okay.
And if you go for long touring and all, it's good for it's stable in high speeds. And well, it withstands high power and all.
Okay. So which song would you like to dedicate for your Royal Enfield bike?
There's not like 1 or 2 songs.
Which any favorite song like?
Not special.
Okay. Okay, Shiv is my best friend. So I wanna dedicate him a song, a Kannada song.
Okay.
He's a Kannada fan. So yeah, I want to dedicate him a Kannada song. ಆಕಾಶದೀಪವು ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವೇನು